In the Forex market, the terms bid and ask are essential for every trader. These two prices determine how you buy and sell currency pairs, and understanding the difference between them will help you make more informed decisions while trading. What is the bid price? The bid is the price at which the market or your broker is willing to buy a currency from you. In simpler terms, it is the highest price someone will pay for that currency at the moment. For example, if the EUR-USD pair has a bid price of 1.1050, it means you can sell €1 for 1.250 US dollars. What is the ask price? The ask is the price at which the market or your broker is willing to sell you a currency. It is the lowest price at which you can buy the currency at that moment. Following the same example, if the EUR-USD pair has an ask price of 1.1055, it means you can buy €1 for 1.955 US dollars. The difference between bid and ask, the spread, 2D, difference between the bid price and the ask price is called the spread. The spread essentially represents the cost of executing a transaction in the Forex market, as it reflects the broker's profit for facilitating the trade. For instance, if the bid price is 1.1050 and the ask price is 1.1055, the spread is 5 pips. How? Bid and ask prices affect your trades. Opening a trade. If you want to buy a currency pair, you'll do it at the ask price. If you want to sell a currency pair, you'll do it at the bid price. Closing a trade. When you close a buy position, the relevant price will be the bid. When you close a sell position, the relevant price will be the ask. Factors that affect bid and ask prices: market volatility. During periods of high volatility, the spread between the bid and ask prices may widen significantly. Market liquidity. The more liquid the currency pair, the narrower the spread. For example, popular currency pairs like EUR-USD often have tighter spreads due to their high liquidity. Trading hours. During major market sessions, spreads tend to be narrower, while during off hours they can widen. Why understanding bid and ask is important: cost management. Knowing how bid and ask prices work helps you calculate the spread and understand the cost of each transaction. Entry and exit strategies. Using these prices strategically can improve your trading decisions. Transparency. Understanding bid and ask prices allows you to evaluate the trading conditions your broker is offering. Conclusion: bid and ask are fundamental concepts in Forex trading. By understanding how they work, you can not only manage your costs but also make more informed and strategic decisions in your trades. Always pay attention to the spread and try to trade in conditions that work in your favor.